Hi guys, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bodden. So today we have already done our circles and our ovals and our repeating pattern. So now it is time to add color. So I need to find my colors that I want to use. So because it is fall, I want us to be using warm colors. Now warm colors are our reds, our yellows, and our oranges. And that's what color our leaves are starting to turn after this cold is coming on. So we are going to find all of the reds, the oranges, and the yellows in my box. Now, I have to hide my crayons from my kids because otherwise I would lose all of my crayons to my kids. So this one is red orange. It is okay to use. This one is red. It is okay to use. This one is blue violet. It is not okay to use. This is a cool color. So we want things that are yellow, red, and orange. So if it has the words yellow, red, and orange in it, you are good. It's like this one says yellow, orange, so that one's good too. Now, oh, wrong one, that one says seeded. This one says yellow, green. I don't want you to use it because it has the green. The green is a cool color, and we're not using cool colors. We want only warm colors. This one says violet red. Yes, it has red in it, but it also has violet, and violet is one of our cool colors, so we're not going to use that one either. Now, pink. Can we use pink? Yeah, because pink is just my red color and my white color combined, and I can have a pink. Let's see. I think that's about all. Oh, I've got apricot. Apricot I can use as well because apricot is my orange mixed with my white. So orange and white gives me that apricot color. So you have all of these colors that you can use. So I have a red orange, I have orange, I have the apricot, I have the pink, I have the red, the yellow, and the yellow orange. Now, I really don't want pink leaves, so I'm going to put my pink back. Bless you. That was Wyatt. And I really don't want my apricot, so I'm going to put that back, which is going to leave me with these 5 colors. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start coloring my pattern using these 5 colors. And I'm going to start with red. And I'm going to color one of my big circles red on the outside edge. So I'm going to do all of my big circles red on the outside edge. And then I think I want to do red-orange as the bottom circle of my 2 stacked ones. And then I'm going to go to the other end and I'm going to do yellow-orange for my lighter stack. And then I'm just going to continue that same pattern all the way around. So red, orange on the bottoms. Yellow, orange on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and pause you till I get all of mine are done around, and we will go into the next round of pattern. Okay, so I have just finished coloring my outside edge, and I have red, yellow, orange, and red, orange as my 3 colors. Now I'm going to take my same set of 5 colors, and I'm going to pick for my next round of colors. Now for the next round, I have a tall one, and I have 3 going sideways. So for the 3 going sideways, I think I'm going to do red at the top, orange in the middle, and yellow at the bottom, because that'll give me a nice pattern there. And then I think I'm going to do the red-orange because I already have that yellow-orange right there. So my red-orange I'm going to use for my tall ones. That way I'm not putting colors, too many colors of the same color next to each other. And then I'm going to do red at the top. Then I'm going to do orange. And then I'm going to do yellow. Now mine looks kind of messy right now, and that's okay because we're going to outline it when we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and pause you again so that I can do that next round. And when I come back, we will do the circles in the center. So feel free to pause as well so that you can get your coloring done. Okay, so I hoped you paused yours so you could finish coloring yours. I just finished coloring mine. Now all I have are these circles in the center. And I kind of want to do my center more of a random. So I'm just going to take my 5 colors and I'm going to randomly start coloring circles. And I'm going to pick red to start with, and I'm going to color 5 circles. So just randomly in my area, I'm going to color 5 circles. So there's 3, 4, 5. Then I'll take the yellow just because it was the next one in line, and I'm going to color 5 circles. Now if you want to do a pattern in the center, by all means do a pattern. You don't have to make yours exactly like mine, as long as you are coloring your tree in. So I will see you in a moment when mine is totally colored and we can talk about next steps. Okay guys, I hope you have finished coloring in your circles and your ovals and your shapes. And the last thing we are going to do, we're going to take our black crayon and we are going to outline as well as fill in all of the white gaps. So you can start on the outside edge and start just outlining your shapes. And as you outline, you're going to see that a lot of your spaces fill in already, and you just need to fill the last few of them in. So we're going to make it so that it looks like there is just dark space in between all of our shapes. So you can start to see how mine is coming together. You can see how I've got my shapes forming, and then anything that I happen to see that needs to be colored in, try and color it in as I go, that way I don't forget to do it. And you just go around and you're going to fill in and trace all of your shapes with that black color crayon. Now if for some reason you don't have your black color crayon, my son Wyatt seems to keep losing his colors, you could do this with gray. You could do this with brown. You could do this with green, but I don't recommend it because we're trying to make it look kind of fall. I would stick with either gray or brown if you can't find your black. So I will go ahead and pause this video one last time and come back to you when mine is complete. Hi guys, welcome back. So I don't know about you, but that took quite a while for me to get all of mine colored in. You can see that I've got black filling in between all my shapes. My shapes are all outlined. And the last part of this video, and I'm going to do this after I stop it so that I don't have too much time of ours together wasted by cutting with scissors. So what you're going to do after this is you're going to take scissors. You're going to cut around the outside edge. And then I will meet you in our third and final video, and we will talk about how to assemble our tree. Okay guys, have fun cutting. See you soon.